Good morning, Matt. Thank you for joining me today on the Alderley Progressive Engineering podcast. Being our Hazardous Area Training Manager and Alderley's Group E&I Specialist, I just wanted to catch up and learn a little bit more about Compiex and the new UKCA X Certification that will be mandatory from January 2023. So to start with, can you please tell us what exactly is Compiex and why is the training they offer so important to the industry?
Yeah, of course I can. Compiex, it actually stands for Competency in EX Atmospheres. It's a global certification scheme, which is for anybody that works in potentially explosive atmospheres. So that's all the way from cleaners to electrical, mechanical installation personnel and designers, including project engineers. The scheme's actually operated by JT Limited, UK, and it's accredited by UKAS and ISO and IEC standards also, and accreditation bodies. It was created by EMUA, which is an abbreviation for Engineering Equipment and Materials Users Association. And this was basically to ensure that the BSEN standards were followed and understood, specifically BSEN 60079 parts 14, that we work to every day on our packages that we build. And that's to ensure that all assemblies are safe and compliant and to a national standard that everyone recognises.
Perfect. Thanks, Matt. I mentioned earlier the UKCA X certification will be mandatory from January 2023. Can you tell me what this means for companies within the UK that are operating with or within a hazardous area?
Yeah, of course. So as you've just explained, only EX certificates, which are UKCA, will be accepted in the UK for products that previously required ATEX certification. So this covers EX electrical apparatus for Zone 0 and 1, and it will also cover non-electrical apparatus for Zone 0. And it will also mean that a UKCA QAN, which is a manufacturing quality audit, will also be required from a UKCA body. So for Zone 2 electrical apparatus and Zone 1 non-electrical apparatus, you'll still require a technical file to be lodged with a government-appointed UKCA body, such as Hazardous could do that for you. So what does this mean? It means that we as a company will have to ensure that everything that we buy for the UK market will have to have new certification and equipment marking in place after January 2023. For manufacturers with equipment designed for hazardous areas designed in the UK market, they'll have to ensure that all of their products are recertified and marketed with the new UKCA marking and certificates to accompany them.
Okay. So what industries will this certification affect?
Yes, good question. So a wide range of industries, from oil and gas, that's close to our hearts, pharmaceutical, power generation, water industry, and even food for milling industries, so such as flour, sugar, animal feed sectors. They're all applicable to those new laws that are coming out.
Perfect. Thanks, Matt. And lastly, what training is available to help understand about product certification and hazardous areas in general? And who would this training be applicable to, such as maybe the QHSE department or everyone?
No, it can actually affect everyone throughout the organisation. And the good thing with it is there's plenty of training out there. So it's applicable for engineers, with people wanting to develop their hazardous area knowledge and skills further their careers. And I would recommend that everyone who works in or with hazardous area industry should understand the environment and risk associated with them. And this can be achieved by attending an EXF course, which is a foundation course. This course is for a general awareness of the regulations, directives, standards associated with locations containing hazardous atmospheres, and covers the basic protection concepts as well. And I would highly recommend that anyone from sales through to cleaning staff and newly qualified technicians, which would be apprentices or staff new to explosive atmospheres, should attend this course, as it's a great introduction. And on top of that, for people that wanted to further their knowledge base onto that, Compiex also offers a wide range of units to cover installation and inspection, design and selection, and responsible persons such as supervisors and management who will oversee the hazardous area activities on site. So if you do have any questions on any of those, please reach out to us.
Perfect. That was really insightful. Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.